बच्चों नमस्ते. You're watching Edistar International Schools Hindi for class 4. How are you all doing, children? Hope you all are doing good at home. For today's session, we'll start with a Hindi Bal Geet. Bal Geet, that is a Hindi rhyme. It is given in your book. Today's Bal Geet is about Rail Gadi. What is rail? What is the meaning of rail? Can you see and say me? Yes, it's the train. How does a train make noise, children? Chuk 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 chuk, right? Yeah. In your book, take page number 29. You will have a small song of a 8-line song. It is the Bal Geet, Rail Gadi. Shall we move on, children? I will say it first and then I'll make you all to repeat it, okay? रेल चली बाई रेल चली, सीटी देकर रेल चली, कोई चलती है बिजली से, कोई पीकर तेल चली, पूरब से पश्चिम जाए, उत्तर से दक्षिण जाए, देशवासियों का आपस में करवाती मेल चली. I'll say it again. रेल चली बाई रेल चली, सीटी देकर रेल चली, कोई चलती है बिजली से, कोई पीकर तेल चली, पूरब से पश्चिम जाए, उत्तर से दक्षिण जाए, देशवासियों का आपस में करवाती मेल चली. Shall we say it together now? Two lines we'll say and then we'll have the brief of it, okay? Rail chali by rail chali. Chali means what? It is moving, right? How the train moves? Chuk kuch 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 it says and moves, right? With giving the whistle. CT means the whistle. CT dekar rail chali. कोई चलती बिजली से, कोई पीकर तेल चली. We have even the electric trains, right? And the diesel trains also are there. Both are there. Tail means the oil, diesel. Right, children? First we had the steam engine. Now then it came for diesel one. Then it came for the electric one. Now we are going in electric trains only, right? The metro and all that is only the electric trains. पूरब से पश्चिम जाए, उत्तर से दक्षिण जाए. पूरब is east. East to west. Paschim is west. It goes from east to west. And Uttar se Dakshin. Uttar is north. Dakshin is south. It goes to north and south. It goes all the directions, right? So what it does? It goes to every direction. So we have trains in all directions, right, my dear? देशवासियों का आपस में करवाती मेल चली. It combines people together, right? Like telephone, even this, it makes telephone, you can speak to them. But the help of train, you can move to places and visit everyone, right? Karvati mail chali, it combines get-togethers, everyone. Now, you all should sing with me. Okay, my dear? Say it along with me, okay? Rail chali by rail chali, सीटी देकर रेल चली. Say it again. रेल चली बाई रेल चली, सीटी देकर रेल चली, कोई चलती है बिजली से, कोई चलती है बिजली से, कोई पीकर तेल चली. Say it with me. कोई चलती है बिजली से, कोई पीकर तेल चली, पूरब से पश्चिम जाए, उत्तर से दक्षिण जाए. Say it with me. पूरब से पश्चिम जाए, उत्तर से दक्षिण जाए, देशवासियों का आपस में, देशवासियों का आपस में करवाती मेल चली. देशवासियों का आपस में करवाती mail chali. Right? Just see the video once, repeat it, and then you will know it. Okay? You all should say once you are coming to the school. Okay, my dear? Now we'll go to the spoken session. Last video also you all got some spoken, right? Now we are also having 25 words. Now say it along with me, okay, my dear? As I say, you all should repeat with me. For today, what is it in Hindi? It is Aaj. For today, what is it? Aaj. Aaj. Yesterday and tomorrow, it is Kal. What is it, my dear? For yesterday and tomorrow, it is Kal. Yesterday is the past. Tomorrow is the future. For both, it is Kal. So you should use the word Kal in a proper manner. I went yesterday. मैं कल गया था या गई थी. If gaya or gayi comes, it states that kal stands for yesterday. I will go tomorrow. मैं कल जाऊंगा या जाऊंगी. If that जाऊंगा या जाऊंगी word comes, that states that kal stands for tomorrow. Okay, my dear? So it is kal. Clock is घड़ी. What is clock? घड़ी. No or not, it is nahi. What is it? Nahi. See. For see, what it is? Dekh. See is dekh. Small. Small is chota. Big is bada. What does it say it with me? Small is chota. Big is bada. Beautiful. For beautiful, what is it in Hindi? Sundar. What is it? Sundar. Good. Good in Hindi is Acha. What is it? Acha. Bad is Bura. What is for bad? Bura. Thank you. Thank you. What it is, my dear? It is Dhanyavad. What is it, children? Dhanyavad. Something. Something is kuch. What is something? Kuch. What? What in Hindi is what, ma? Kya. What is it? Kya. Tea. Tea, what is it? Chai. What is it? Chai. Said. Said is kaha. What is for said? Kaha. Water. For water in Hindi it is pani. What is it, my dear? Pani. Head. Head it is sar. What is for head? Sar. Hand. Hand in Hindi is haath. What is it? Haath. Finger. What is it for finger, ma? It is ungali. What is it? Ungali. Stomach. For stomach it is pet. What is for stomach? Pet. Many or very. For both what it is? Bahut. The same it is for many and very. For both it comes bahut. Day. Day it is din. What is day? Din. Sometimes. What is sometimes? Kabhi. What is for sometimes, ma? Kabhi. People. For people, what is it in Hindi? It is log. What is it, ma? Log. Enough. Enough is bus. What is for enough? Bus. That's all for today, children. The 25 words are over. So what you all need to do, you all need to see the video twice or thrice until you know the Bal Geet as well as these 25 words. Okay, my dear? Don't trouble your parents, okay? Stay at home, listen to their words and obey them and be a good children. Okay, ma?